Good afternoon. Today we're going to look at this problem with using leading zeros in our key product data, especially when we use CSV import and export to manage that data. Let's jump right into the session. In this example, we're looking at this product astronaut suit with cap and assuming that in the point of sale system you've already got it set up to have this ID number with 4 leading zeros and the 1. If you're using Excel to manage your data on the CSV import-export process, let's take a look at what can happen, and it's typically a problem that takes many steps to overcome. I'm going to open up Excel, and let's assume that we've generated a report from our POS system. So I'm going to open that up now. Here we go, our CSV. Whoops, that's not the right file I was hoping for, sorry. I'm going to open up sample PSO report. Okay, we'll open it up. Okay, at first glance everything looks fine. Oh, but I notice these products, they're 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And they should be leading zeros. That's what I had them defined in the point of sale system anyway, right? Well, in fact they are, but the way that Excel works is it by default strips out leading zeros when it thinks that items are numbers. So you have to do a couple steps to import that as textual data. And here's how you would do that. From the Data tab in Excel, we're going to import from text, okay? And then I want to go ahead and get this same file, sample report, import it, and I'm going to select a text file here, and import. Okay, now I've got to go through the wizard. A delimited file or fixed width. Yep, it's delimited. I got CSV delimited, so I'll say next. Okay, this delimiters, I'm going to set my, these are comma, turn off the tab, text, quotation mark, that's correct, okay. We're doing good here. Okay, there's my leading zeros. Okay, I'm still not done yet. So now this one here, I need to make sure that this column is defined as text. Okay, got that, and I'm going to finish up. And let's put this in a new worksheet. Okay, so I imported that data, and you can see it takes quite a number of new steps. And it's very easy if you just open up an Excel file to not notice. A lot of times you won't even think about it, but that number will not sync up with your website. Again, so those are some of the things that have to happen when you're looking with leading zeros. We encourage you not to use those, but to instead use either an alphanumeric prefix. What we always do is we use usually it's a 4-character prefix. For example, here, hog wild, we've got HOWG as the alpha prefix, always in lowercase. And then when we process data, we'll take the manufacturer supplied item number and we'll clean it up a little bit. So if it had dashes or spaces in it, we'll get rid of those and we'll append that to the alpha prefix. That way we have a pretty stable system that's an item number matching the product manufacturer number across different manufacturing lines. Okay? That's kind of the overview of reasons not to use the SKU or other field data with leading zeros if you can help it at all. Thanks again for participating in this little tutorial on CSV Import-Export.